What's up everyone? At this video, we will make a chicken trap. I will show you my way of making a trap for the chicken and also for the bird. This is one of my experience. So the equipment we need, we are going to use a knife, but I have a bigger knife like this, but be careful everyone. So also, we need a bamboo stick. So I have a bamboo stick here, but it's not enough. And we need also a rope, or I'm going to use this nylon. This is the only thing I have. And we need a stick. So this is stick will be used for bending. And I have a 1 meter, half meter I think, of this stick. So let's go. So at this time, we will make more bamboo stick. So I make it fast. So we will not be. So I think we have enough bamboo stick. I think this is good. Now guys, I will prepare the position of our long stick. So we make a hole for our stick. So I use this Cabra because the soil is so hard because there's stones. Okay, we put on the stick and okay, it's perfect. So I put a stone, so the stone will grip my stick hard, so it will make a more stable and stronger. And now I will tie the nylon to the tip of my stick. So I will use the club heads. We make a circle, two circle, and we put it the stick inside and pull it a little bit. It will drop, and we will put more lock nut. One and two. So I think this is good. Okay. So at this time, we will make a fence using this bamboo stick. We make a round fence. The purpose of this fence, because we are going to put some barrier so that our trap inside and the position of the chicken is gonna be perfect, because the nylon rope is in the center, and the position of the body of the chicken is in good position. You see this leaves I put. This is uh, a fence also, so the chicken will not do a shortcut. So we will make sure that the chicken will go in the entrance. uh, so we put the alternate, I use this nipa, we call it nipa leaves. So because this is long leaves, you can use any kind of leaves close to the trap you make, any kinds. The purpose of this, that we will make barrier. It is not strong enough, but it's fine. So the chicken or the birds, we will not make a shortcut. This at this fence, the chicken will go inside, go in the front in the entrance, and the position of the entrance is the position of our nylon rope. Sometimes the rope will catch his feet, sometimes his neck. Now we will make a hole for the half ring. We will bend this bamboo. So I use the rice for a bit. This is will be the food of the chicken. I put mini rice in the center. Now we're done making our chicken trap. Now we wait for the chicken and we will call them. Go. One more step. Come on, almost there. Almost there. Victory! What's up, And guys, success! Success guys, success. Nahuli natin guys, no? Pero, aha, ang tinula. Ang tinula ang makasalanan kumain ng tambis. Ha. So yun guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye-bye!